I would like to present to you the Ruby welcome tray together with the Cleo kettle, a great welcome tray set for your hotel room. It's 34 by 34 centimeters, so quite big, but still a compact welcome tray. Comes with a tray which you can lift off, place 2 big mugs, but there's a lot of space, so you can also place 2 saucers and 2 cups. Also a lot of space for tea, coffee, milk, sugar, teaspoons, and everything is easy to take away and wash and clean separately. The Cleo water kettle is also a small and compact kettle with 0.8 liters of water, but still big enough so housekeeping can clean inside. It of course have all the safety features which is needed in a hotel room, with boil dry protection and automatically shut off when the water is boiling. So a great set at a very attractive price also for your hotel room. The Ruby welcome tray with the Cleo water kettle. Thank you.